Alright, we're recording. This is Gadget Man, Nebraska, Aaron Cheek. What year's your pickup?
96.
96. 1500 GMC. 4x4. What engine do you have?
350.
350 with throttle body. What did it do before? What kind of gas mileage did you get?
About 12, maybe 10.
What kind of power? What did the engine act like?
Wasn't too bad unless I had a loaded trailer.
So what do you notice different now?
It'll go down the highway a lot faster than it used to. 0 to 60 sure as hell ain't what it used to be.
That's good. So would you say this would be a good thing for everybody to do?
I'd suggest trying it.
All right. That sounds good. So what initially did you notice right off the bat?
The takeoff.
When you get into it, it's right there on top of the pedal.
When you get into it, it's right there. It responds right away.
Well, that's awesome. That's very good. Well, this is the first recording of a Gadget Man, and we are out.